Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can delete and pause your YouTube watch and search history. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. YouTube creates your history according to your search and according to your watched videos. So if you want to delete or pause your history, simply tap on history option in the left side. After tapping on history option, in the right side you see a menu of watch history, search history, comments, community, live chat, clear all watch history, pause watch history, manage all activity. So if you want to pause your watch history, simply tap on pause watch history. So your watch history will be paused. And now you see a video will not appear in your history. You can turn on watch history at any time. So if you want to remove video in your watch history, you tap on cross option and the video will be removed. So if you want to remove all videos from your history, tap on clear all watch history and all videos will be removed. In that same way, press on search history and clear your search history by tapping on cross, and if you want to clear all search history, tap on clear all search history and your search history will be gone. And if you want to pause search history, simply tap on pause search history option. When you pause your search history or watch history, there will be no history appear in your search history and watch history option. Hope this video helped you to solve your problem of how to remove and pause your YouTube search and watch history. So like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.